In this video, I'm going to explain what all the different settings mean on a Ferrex cordless combi drill. So the first thing we need to do is look at the top of our drill, and we've got a little slider here with high and low written on. So in the high setting, the spindle of the drill will turn a lot faster, but it won't have as much torque. In low setting, you'll find the drill spindle turns slower, but it gives you more torque when you're driving in stubborn fixings. So there's your high and low speed. 99% of cordless drills have this setting. You've also got some indicators here that give the drill slightly different functions. So we've got drill mode here. Drill mode is normally used for when you're drilling into wood or metal or whatever substrate you're drilling into. It gives you the full power of the drill at all times so that your drilling operation is never bogged down. I normally leave my drill in this setting all the time because it gives me the full power of the drill whenever I need it. The next setting down is our screw setting. This is used when you're driving screws into your workpiece, and the benefit of this mode is that it brings into play this adjustable clutch. So depending on the settings on this clutch will depend how deep the drill drives the screw into the workpiece. So if you have your clutch set on setting 1, it won't drive your screws in very deep. If you have it on setting 17, it'll obviously drive your screws in deeper into the workpiece. This is especially useful if you're putting in repeated screws and you want them all to be set to the right depth. You can use the screw setting and then use your variable clutch. You've also got hammer mode. This adds a slight percussive force to the drill in case you're drilling into masonry or brickwork. You obviously have to team that hammer mode up with a masonry drill bit. We've not got one of those bits in to show you, but if you're putting in wall plugs, then slot your drill into the masonry setting. So those are all the settings on top of your cordless drill. So we'll slowly work our way down. You've got forward and reverse. This flick switch here, you can see, flick it one way, flick it the other way on your drill. So that's forward and reverse. And then you've also got a variable speed trigger. This means you can start the drill off slowly and then keep increasing the speed as you pull the trigger back. So another quick tip, if you flick this into the center, it will actually lock the drill out so it can't be set off accidentally. So you're forward, backwards, and then you can almost lock it in the middle position. And also on these Ferrex drills, you've got a little battery at the back with a battery indicator. If you hold that down, it'll tell you how much life's left in the battery. So those are all the settings on your Ferrex cordless combi drill. So use them wisely. Thanks for watching.